Hey everybody, this is Valencia and welcome to my channel, Balloons and Business, where I show you the business of balloon and event decor. So it's around 7:45 Saturday evening and I just finished my second gig for the day. My first one was a pair of organic balloon columns that I made for a graduation. If you want to see the video for how I made that, just check the description box and the link will be in there. And this second gig that I just did, I did a balloon garland for a 40th birthday / retirement, and it was casino card themed. And I did a balloon garland that I put around a backdrop that they already had, and I put a little balloon garland up the stairway. So I usually tape me blowing up the balloons, tying them into dupes, and then, twisting them into clusters and tying them together to make the base of my balloon garland before I actually show the setup. However, that footage got deleted, so I only have this setup to show you. So right now I'm going to show you how I set up this balloon garland, hung it on the backdrop, added all the clusters and all of the little fancy stuff to make it casino card themed. So go ahead on and check this out. My good old trusty mattress bag. I tell you guys, this is a must. So first I'm going to start by hanging the balloon garland onto the backdrop using 260 balloons. And just so you know, the client's face is on the backdrop. That is why I'm using the emoji to protect the client's identity. So as you can see, I already had the base of the balloon garland pre-made. And I blew up a bunch of clusters that I am attaching with 260 balloons. The goal is to thicken up this balloon garland and give it some more volume, as well as add some more layer to this balloon garland. I am also adding these gold clusters to the garland as an accent color. So I didn't get a chance to attach that top middle portion to the backdrop because of the curtain. So I got some fishing line, tied it to one of the balloons at the very top right there, and then tied it to that plug that's hanging on the ceiling. And that's how I was able to get the top middle part to stay up. Now normally I would have used a backdrop clamp, and you just clamp it onto the backdrop and then you can attach the balloon garland onto that clamp. And that's how I would have been able to secure that top middle portion if I wasn't able to get to the ceiling. And now I'm going to be attaching my 5-inch decorators using some 260 balloons. And I'm going to be using that same pearl cluster method that I've been using lately. And I really like the way it looks. It brings interest and complexity to the balloon garland. And now it's time to attach the casino cards to the balloon garland. I got a pack of large playing cards off of Amazon, and I'm attaching those to the balloon garland using some glue dots. Now I'm applying some balloon shine using a towel. I definitely had to do that because the balloons oxidized overnight and they had a lot of fingerprint marks and stuff like that. So I had to shine them back up again. You want to make sure that you apply whatever you're going to apply on the balloon garland before you put the balloon shine on. So if you are attaching things like how I'm attaching those cards or any other type of balloons or florals or anything else on there, make sure you put those on the balloon garland before you apply that balloon shine, because the balloon shine will be so slippery that you won't be able to attach anything on there after the fact. So I also whipped up a quick balloon garland to attach to that staircase right there. And I also attached some playing cards on there as well. So here's the finished product, my casino card themed balloon garland. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, go ahead on and like it, and please subscribe for notifications on future videos on balloon and event decor. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.